Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Mimo Antenna 5G is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in wireless communication, significantly boosting the performance and reliability of your 5G network by employing multiple transmitting and receiving antennas to enhance data throughput, reduce signal interference, and expand network coverage, making it a game changer for anyone seeking superior connectivity in their homes or businesses. This video will explore its capabilities and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Proxicast Antenna 129-001 Antenna. Introducing the Proxicast Antenna 129-001, designed to significantly improve your 4G and 5G signal strength and speed. It's compatible with a wide range of devices and networks globally. This high-gain antenna works seamlessly with various routers, modems, and gateways from leading brands. Enjoy enhanced connectivity regardless of your existing equipment. With a 7 to 10 dB gain and dual polarized design, it delivers superior signal strength and data speeds, even in remote areas with weak coverage. It's perfect for overcoming challenging signal conditions. It supports crucial 5G bands, including T-Mobile's Band 71 and the new mid-band frequencies used by AT&T and Verizon. Stay ahead of the curve with future-proof 5G connectivity. The 75-degree directional beam width focuses the signal for optimal performance. This ensures you get the strongest possible signal where you need it. It features 2 female end connectors, but remember you'll need 2 coax extension cables for complete setup. The antenna is designed for fixed outdoor mounting. For ultimate performance, use 2 panels, one vertical and one at a 45-degree angle, to create a powerful 4x4 Mimo 5G antenna system. This will give you the best possible speeds. What we like. It boasts impressive signal strength and speed, thanks to its high gain and dual polarization. If you need to improve your cellular signal in remote areas with weak coverage, this is the perfect solution. This antenna is ideal for users who want to maximize their 5G and 4G LTE speeds in challenging locations. What people say. Installed on the roof and compared to the indoor router with stock antennas, it increased the internet speed up to 3 times. I had like 2 Mbps data, and when connected to this antenna I got 7.8 Mbps. With the Proxicast attached and mounted about 10 foot up, the signal strength improved to -95 dB range after spending time to get it pointed at the tower. With that relatively small change I was able to get a much more stable connection and substantively faster upload and download speeds. After setting up the Proxicast and getting it pointed optimally, I was getting download speeds on the 45 to 50 Mbps range and upload speeds between 10 and 15 Mbps. Adapted a simple mount to put this on AK-style gutter support, and it lowered my RSRP by 8 to 10 dBm, lowered my SNR by around 3 dB and raised my download during non-peak times from 15 megabits per second to about 40 megabits per second, and upload definitely much better to around 25 megabits per second. Number 4. Waveform 2x2 Mimo Antenna Kit. It uses a cross-polarized panel antenna with up to 8 dB of gain. This gives your LTE modem or hotspot the speed it deserves for better video calls. Multiple connections mean much more signal compared to your router's internal antennas. It maximizes your device's efficiency for smoother streaming. A Mimo-enabled router and antennas give you double the signal sent and received. Enjoy significantly improved data transfer speeds. Our 3-pack of adapters connects to major LTE routers, including the T-Mobile 5G gateway. No extra purchases needed. Get access to Waveform's dedicated support team for the life of the product. We're available by text or phone 7 days a week to assist you. It is compatible with a wide range of routers, including MoFi 4500, ATT IFWA 40MF279, Cradlepoint IBR 900, and Verizon MiFi 8800L, 7730L, and many more. What we like. This kit offers a significant signal boost with its 2x2 Mimo design and multiple connections. If you're tired of buffering videos and low-quality calls, this will dramatically improve your connection. Plus, lifetime support ensures you'll always get the help you need. What people say. The system components appear to be good quality and the documentation is first-rate. While the download speed is capped at 50 megabits per second for us, it reaches it with ease. Upload speed took the biggest jump to 18 to 28 megabits per second. Ping has been consistently under 70 milliseconds. The equipment is well constructed and the instructions were first-rate, intelligent and easy to follow. Number 3. Proxicast Antenna 121M22 Antenna. This is the Proxicast Antenna 121M22, a low-profile, vandal-resistant antenna. It's designed for superior performance and durability. At only 3 inches tall, it's perfect for discrete placement. Its compact size doesn't compromise performance. It features omnidirectional MIMO technology for reliable coverage in all directions. Enjoy consistent connectivity without dead zones. This antenna covers all North American and worldwide 4G LTE and 5G cellular networks. It seamlessly handles both 4G and 5G frequencies. It's compatible with a wide range of routers and modems from leading brands. Check for compatibility with your specific model. Built with tough, vandal-resistant materials, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It's designed to withstand harsh conditions. It comes with 10 feet coax leads and SMA male connectors for easy installation. Get connected quickly and easily. What we like. Its compact, low-profile design makes it perfect for discrete indoor or outdoor use. If you need reliable, omnidirectional coverage without sacrificing aesthetics, this is a great choice. The vandal-resistant materials ensure it can withstand harsh environments. What people say. Since I've upgraded to this new antenna, my hotspot has not disconnected me once. Where I had 2 bars, I now have 4. I got a full signal, and the speed and ping are excellent. Number 2. Proxicast Pro Gain Antenna. It's the ultimate solution for boosting your cellular signal. Enjoy improved data speeds and reliable connectivity, no matter where you are. This antenna provides superior performance across all 4G LTE and 5G networks worldwide. Experience seamless connectivity without signal dropouts. It's designed to significantly enhance your signal strength and data speeds, even in areas with poor cellular coverage. Say goodbye to buffering and slow downloads. It features dual female end connectors, requiring 2 coax extension cables. It's compatible with all major brands of modems, routers, and hotspots. It supports all major 4G LTE bands and 5G NR/FR1 low and mid-frequency bands. It works with various networks and systems, including FirstNet and CBRS. It boasts 7 dB peak gain on all 4G LTE and 5G networks. This ensures a powerful and stable connection for optimal performance. What we like. It provides excellent omnidirectional coverage with a substantial 7 dB gain. If you need to enhance your signal across a wide area, this antenna is a top contender. Its compatibility with various modems and routers makes it a versatile option for many users. What people say. The 5G performance is incredible. I tested 2 of these, both on 10-foot masts 5 feet apart, on a Cradlepoint R1900 with a 5G Verizon SIM. I was able to get over 350 megabits per second down and almost 150 megabits per second up. My download speed increased from 20 to 30 mbs to over 50. Previously, the speed was quite variable, but now the speed is solid throughout the day. As they say, pay more attention to the signal quality rather than the signal strength. In my case, my signal strength increased from 1 to 2 bars and the signal quality improved by 6 to 7 dBs. Easy installation with required hardware included to attach to a pole. All you need is a pole and 2 low-loss cables to attach this to your modem. Number 1. Mimo 4G 5G Parabolic Antenna. It boasts a super high 30 dB gain, ensuring optimal signal reception. If this antenna can't improve your connection, no other antenna will. It's perfect for areas with weak signals, whether you're in a city or rural setting. It easily overcomes obstacles like trees and hills. It works with all mobile boosters, routers, and hotspots that have an external antenna port. It supports a wide range of frequencies and carriers globally. It's incredibly easy to install and use, simply plug it in and enjoy a stronger signal. No additional setup is required. Its wide frequency band, 698 to 6000 MHz, ensures compatibility with all internet devices. It enhances signals for routers, cell phones, and more. The package includes 2 grid antennas, a feed horn, mounting brackets, 15 meters of LMR240 cable, and 2 TS9 adapters. You'll also need a mounting pole. What we like. With its super high gain, it's designed for long-range signal reception. If you're in a rural area with distant signal towers or significant obstacles, this antenna will maximize your connection. Its wideband compatibility ensures it works with a wide range of devices and carriers. What people say. First, let's be clear that there are 2 separate antennas inside the white pill shape and 2 output cables with connectors. Together, when passed to the inputs of a modem that is MIMO capable, e.g. Netgear LM1200, the unamplified results beat the YAGI with 100 dB amplification. For my needs on AT&T, with the Netgear Nighthawk M1 I went from 1 to 2 bars to 4 to 5 bars. I have not yet seen an improvement on data speed, but I did see a much more solid stable connection able to hold the speed better. My Orbi cellular internet router could barely stream a movie before this. I had 1 to 2 bars and forget updating a game, unless you had HRS to spare. Once I installed this antenna, game changer. Full bars and those 4 hours downloads went to 30 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.